Have you ever wondered when you click on a cell in Excel what this little green square is all about? Well, it's a feature called AutoFill. You don't need to know its fancy name. You just need to know what it does because it saves so much time. So I'm going to give you a few examples. I'm going to start in this first cell here with just the month of the year. I'm going to start with January, obviously. Now let's assume I'm creating a list of the months of the year so I can set up a budget, etc. Now, rather than manually typing it in, what I've done now that I've typed in January is I can aim for this little green square in the corner, wait till my mouse becomes a plus sign, and I hold down my left mouse button. Now I can either drag across the columns or I can go down. I'm going to go down the rows for these examples, and hopefully you can see a little screen tip pops up just telling me what month I'm up to. And because I'm doing the months of the year, I can actually go past December and keep on going until I release my left mouse button, which is great. Another really useful feature with AutoFill is just something as simple as putting in dates. So if I go and put in a date as an example, I can again still see the green square. So I'm going to carefully wait for the plus sign, left click, drag it down, and I'll purposely go past the end of April. And hopefully you can see Excel is smart enough to know how many days are in a calendar month. It even knows when there's a leap year, and so it can adjust accordingly. One of the other examples I love to show with AutoFill is numbers. And a lot of people don't think that it works with numbers, but it does. There's just an extra little tip that you've got to know with them. Because if I just type in the number 1, and I aim for the green square and I go to left click and drag it down, clearly doesn't work. So if I undo that, the trick with numbers is you've got to give it the starting value, and then in the next cell underneath, you give it an example of the pattern that you want. So if I want to increment by ones, I'm just going to follow that with the number 2 and again hit enter. The trick here is I've now got to highlight the two of them together, aim for the green square, wait for the plus sign, left click, drag it down, and now I get a list of numbers incrementing by ones. There are so many other things that you can also do with AutoFill, but I'm just showing you the main ones to hopefully get you started. But if you're keen and you want to know more tips and tricks about it, as well as many other ones that are available in Excel, please feel free to give me a call or go to my website and to the contact page, and we'll be in touch soon.